Hello, so today, this video is made to help with anyone who wants to create a micronation. This will show you how to make the flag of it. So, what you want to do before you start this. And you need to know what the name of it is. In example, Waloya Republic. So in the search bar, type in flag maker. You want to click on the first link. It has a red flag as its profile. As you can see, there is already a flag, but this may look different for you. When you are fully ready, I recommend to start scratch. So, just right-click and hold and select the entire flag, and click the delete icon, or trash can. With that, you can, if you want, choose a current flag of nations to edit on. If you want to, just hover over the flag you want and click on it. It should automatically spawn in the center of the image, as the preset flags are located in templates. But if you want a flag by scratch, it isn't that hard as it can seem. Just go to symbols and it should show different symbols. For this, I'm gonna create a 3-striped flag with a symbol in the middle. If you want to create it with me, click on the red square. It should be the first symbol shown. Then, spread the symbol out horizontally. Then just make it go to the bottom of the image, and make it shorter than it was. It doesn't have to be perfect. After that, duplicate the square and repeat until the image is filled. We are almost done. So, you will notice a red square near the undo buttons. Click on the bottom score, then click the button near the undo buttons. Use the color palette and choose your desired color. It should change the square's color. Repeat with same or different colors with the middle and top one. After that is done, go back to symbols and choose a desired symbol. I'm gonna choose a circle star symbol. After you place it down, you can replace it or resize it if you like. We are done with the flag. You can download it into ways, export or screenshot. I'm gonna screenshot. On mobile, press down the power and low volume buttons at the same time, then crop it perfectly. For PC users, hold down PRT-SC key on your keyboard, then crop it perfectly. One last thing, do not crop over any slight transparented colors, as it isn't included for the flag.